Do you know kids' bad handwriting does not only adversely affect their grades but also affect their social aptitude. They lack interest in writing, which is a detriment to their self-confidence. Hi, I'm Nidhi Gupta, handwriting expert and graphotherapist. My team of teachers and I have helped hundreds of kids to improve their writing and personality because our writing is a direct projection of our personality. Today in this video, I am going to show you why it's important to focus on child's writing and how it's directly affect their academic success. So let's check it out.
Let's have a quick quiz. So, if you're a teacher, whose writing is easier to mark? Is it A or B? Do you know the first impression on teacher is made by the writing? Like how we dressed, it gives the first impression on others. Same way, our writing gives the impression of our personality. If it's messy writing, then it's difficult for teacher to mark, and that's why kids lose the grades. How about this one? Who is more prone to make careless mistake? Is it A or B? So if you said A, it's right. Are you a handwriting expert? No, but then also you can give a correct answer. Why? Because our handwriting do reveal the personality. Lot of time parents do ask that maybe nowadays everyone is doing typing, texting and tapping. Then in this 21st century, why we need handwriting? So the typing have some pitfalls. The keys are the same regardless of alphabet. So if you see the keys, all the U, T, Y, everything is same. It is like a mindless transcription, not consciously absorbing what they are typing, and that's why recall fewer details in the longer run. Whereas when you hold the pencil and write, it develops that intellectual literacy, hone fine motor skills, increase the brain activity because neurons are getting fired, improves memory, boosts vocabulary, and improves the concentration. So the writing the right way is an essential part of the writing too. Even research done in 2013 has proved that handwriting is an important school readiness skill, one associated with later academic success. Now, if you see this writing, do you think he is able to achieve higher grades? Even though you haven't read the content, but by seeing the writing, you say, oh, it's a very messy writing. So this boy was going to appear for the A level exam, and he himself was not very happy with his writing because he said, whenever I turn the page, I can't read my own handwriting. And that's why he was constantly losing marks, which is causing really a lot of anxiety in him and losing the self-confidence. Now let's see some handwriting strokes, like how the handwriting emphasis we can know the personality. Even the small I dot have some significance. If you see the I dot, the first one, which is going towards left, it shows irritation on self. But when the I dot goes towards right, it shows irritation on others. So that can be momentary. Maybe right now something is going in your mind and which is causing some irritation. Right now, if I dot is coming down, which means like suddenly you ask your child to write something or someone else, so then you're seeing that eye strokes are coming down, which shows irritation on now. Now, if you see the next way I wrote zoo, so if you read, you say it's both are the O's. But if you see one is in a clockwise and one is an anti-clockwise. So when there is and there's a huge difference in personality. So when there is a clockwise, there are some hiding tendencies. So which we will be covering more about in our workshop, which is 5 constructive clues only parents and teachers can understand, which is free workshop where you can come and attend and you can see that how this graphology works and how you can know more about the temper, procrastination, about these things. So can you guess the value of your child's academic grades if you have to give some value? Can you give that? Do you know Michigan University has done some research and find out that poor handwriting can make poor grades, which have a less chance of getting entrance in the good university in school, and that's a reduced chance to get a good job. Do you know 67% of employers see the academic grades before hiring the person? So to help the kids, we have come up with Better Handwriting Improved Grades program, which is based on graphology, which I'm talking about. So here we are not only focusing on the beauty of the writing. If you see the change in the writing just in the 4 weeks time, so it's not just only the beauty of the writing, but we also help the child to make the correct movement of pencil or pen to have a better personality. So if you see this child gets more organized, he'll get more confident about his writing. So these are the benefits if they're writing nicely. So it's a better and legible writing, improve focus, develop interest in writing, improve grade. If you see all this is connected. So if they are writing nicely, they have more interest in writing, they show more confidence because everyone is appreciating them now. So there are some feedbacks on our Facebook page. So thanks for the parents for liking it. It's 4.9 star rating. So if you see, thank you for your excellent coaching. I can see a good improvement in my son's handwriting now. Highly recommend it. So you can go on our website and you can read more parents' feedback on our Facebook page. And of course, you can come for our free workshop. You can find the link and do like this video. Thanks a lot for watching. Keep writing. Thank you.